Now to the other headline involving the White House tonight. Adult film star Stormy Daniels is now suing the president. Her attorney saying he has no doubt that the president knew that Daniels had been paid $130,000 just before the election to keep quiet. She now says that deal is not valid because the president did not sign it. Here's ABC's chief national correspondent Tom Yamas tonight.
Tonight, the White House in damage control. Porn star Stormy Daniels suing President Trump, arguing her non-disclosure agreement is null and void. Daniels claims she and the president began an intimate relationship in the summer of 2006 in Lake Tahoe, a relationship that included at least one meeting in a bungalow at the Beverly Hills Hotel. I spoke with her lawyer today.
Did your client, Stormy Daniels, have sex with President Trump?
Yes.
There's no doubt about that.
No doubt in my mind.
In the complaint, Daniels acknowledges signing what she calls a hush agreement, something she has not done before.
Do you have a non-disclosure agreement?
Do I?
The president's personal lawyer, Michael Cohen, has admitted paying Daniels $130,000 of his own money just days before the election, but said in a statement neither the Trump organization nor the Trump campaign was a party to the transaction. Daniels' attorney says the president must have been aware.
The suggestion, or any suggestion, that he didn't know about it is quite honestly absurd, for lack of a better term. We believe that he absolutely knew about it.
The White House pressed on this today.
Yeah, I've had conversations with the president about this, and as I outlined earlier, that this case had already been won in arbitration, and that there was no knowledge of any payments from the president, and he's denied all of these allegations.
In her lawsuit, Daniels now claims the non-disclosure agreement is invalid. Why?
There is a signature line for Mr. Trump on the agreement. He was obligated to sign it, and he never signed it. And it's really that simple.
Daniels claims they used aliases in the agreement. President Trump was referred to as David Dennison, and she was Peggy Peterson. And right here, you can see a space where Daniels says Mr. Trump would have signed, but it's blank.
And Tom is with us now. We heard Sarah Sanders say just a moment ago that they already won in arbitration. That got our attention today. What did she mean by that?
That's right. We actually have some new reporting on that, David. Now, Stormy Daniels' attorney tells us that last week, Michael Cohen obtained a temporary restraining order against Ms. Daniels, essentially saying if she talks about confidential information regarding President Trump, she could be subject to damages. Daniels' attorney calls this a bogus arbitration order and that they will not be intimidated.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.